Hello everyone, today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of this Lavalier microphone. So I recently bought this product from Amazon. So we will quickly talk about this product. We'll do a quick unboxing and maybe I'll talk about how I felt about this product. So if I really talk about this product, this is a small microphone, and why it is called a lavalier. Lavalier, it basically means it's a small microphone which is normally hung around your neck, or it is clipped to your what do you call, to your cloth. So this is a model. As you can see, the model is GL119, and I bought this from Amazon for 195 rupees. So it is a 3.5 mm compatible microphone. And if I talk about some of the key features, so it's a omnidirectional condenser microphone. So what does that mean is that basically from any direction you speak, it will take your voice and it will record your voice perfectly without any issues. And it has no low handling noise, which also means is that if there are noises which are coming in the background, it will eliminate those noises and it will give a very clear noise while you are making the videos. Plus another feature is that it's very easy to use, and it's just a plug and play. There's nothing that you need to do. It's just you just need to plug in and it automatically will start playing. And it is also compatible for any type of audio and video recording. So now let's quickly unbox this video. So unbox this product. So this is the kind of product which comes inside this box. So this is there are two things which normally come. So one is this clip that you will see. This is kind of a clip which is attached to the microphone, and this is basically the microphone that you normally gets in this product. So I'll quickly assemble it and I'll quickly attach the clip to it. So overall I would say this is how it gets attached. So this is the sponge which comes along with the microphone, and it has a pretty long wire. As you can see, it is like, I would say, close to 2 meters. So the wire is pretty long and it looks pretty sturdy. The quality of the wire is pretty very, I would say, it's pretty nice. And it looks pretty premium. And a good part is that it is also compatible, I would say, with any of your mobile phones or your cameras or laptops. So I have this DSLR along with me, so maybe there's a mic, so you just need to insert it and then it is something that will work with your DSLR as well. And right now I'm normally using this to make all my videos. So I'll just tell you my final verdict. So I would say this is a pretty good product at 195 rupees. So if you're just starting your YouTube channel, or you just wanted to start making videos on a budget, so this is, I would say, is a very good product for only 195 rupees, and this will do the job. So a really good product which looks pretty sturdy, also has a very good sound quality also, and does the job. So that's it for today in the video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead. Thanks.